Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Airbnb. Booking properties as venues for functions, shootings and other rental purpose. For this website, customer book the properties for certain time and by paying the amount. The customer can book the apartment houses, candles for rentals and villas for rentals. So in this website, the customer can book the properties as rentals. So coming to the flow diagram of this website, here we have admin, host, and customer. First of all, admin will log in into the website with the predefined login credentials like email address and password. After login into the website, the admin can add and view the categories to the website. And after adding the categories, the admin can add and view the places and cities of the countries. So by adding the places, the host will post the rental houses, apartments, and condos. So after adding the places, the host will register into the website with the registration details like name, email, phone, address. Like this, by adding those details, the host will register into the website. After registering into the website, the admin can view the host list in the view host page and verify them by clicking the verify button. After verification only, the host will log in into the website with the registered email address and password. Without verifying the admin, the host will not be allowed into this website. So after login, the host will post the rent house. So if they have any availability for rent houses, they'll post into this website, and as well as apartments also posted by host, and candles also posted by host. So these three posts will be posted by host. After posting the properties, the host can view those properties, added properties to the in the website in view properties page. So properties can viewed by the host in the view properties page. After viewing the properties, the customer can register into the website with the customer name, email address, phone, picture of the customer, and address of the customer. By adding this information, the customer will get registered into the website. After registration, they'll get login into the website with the registered email address and password. After entering into the website, the customer can view the properties which are added by the host, and those properties will be reserved by the customer, and the customer can reserve those properties by clicking the reserve property button by giving the from date and to date with the time. So by entering these details, the customer can reserve the property for the particular time. So after reservation, the customer can view the reservation status and view reservations in the view reservations page. And also host can check the reservations and view reservations page. And if the customer wants to vacate the reservation or they want to check out from the property, so they will put a vacate option. They'll click on the vacate button and they'll send the vacate request to the host, and the host approve the vacate request. By after approving the vacate request, the customer can quit from the property. So like this, the website will run. So we'll go to the output and we'll see the output here. So this is the home page for Airbnb website. So here we have admin, host, and customer. I'm logging into the admin page now with the username and password. Login. This is the administrator homepage. Here the admin will add the categories by giving the category name, an icon. So categories added successfully, and admin can view the categories and view categories page like this. The admin added categories will be displayed here. Categories list and add places. Country, picture by uploading the name and picture of the country. admin will add the places to the website. And view the places which are added by him, and view places but page. And you can also view the host. We don't have any host, so I'm registering as a host here with the host name, host phone number, email address, password, about. Register. After registration, the admin can view the registered hosts and verify them. So here the status will be not verified, and by clicking this verify button, the status will be changed as verified. By clicking the deactivate button, the host will deactivate the admin will deactivate the host. So here I'm logging into the website with email registered email address and password. Login. This is the homepage for host, and here the host will post the rent, house rent, and by selecting the category, number of rooms, and place, occupied area, house address, and owner name, contact number, number of bedrooms, in-house pictures, house pictures, and price per day, price per month, posted, house posted per renter, and also apartment. So apartment number, occupied area, contact number, price per day, number of bedrooms, picture, price per month, post apartment per renter. So after posting the apartment, standards, number of beds, number of guests allowed, number of bedrooms, picture, price per day, price per month, specialties, postcard, number of bathrooms, post homes, property posted, and these all posted properties can view in the view properties. So this is the properties which are added by host, and by clicking the property, the host will view the availability. There is no availability now. So you can also view the reservations and I'm registering as a customer. This is the customer page. customer name, phone number, email, password, address, register. Customer registered successfully. So I'm logging into the customer page with the registered email address and password. This is the home page for customer, and here the customer can view the properties which are posted by head host, and he can reserve the property by clicking the reserve property button. Here, book property page will be displayed by giving the from date and to date. The property will be reserved for this particular customer. So submit. After booking the property, the payment page will be displayed like this. So we'll pay total 2000. So by using the card number, this card number must be in 16 digits. And name of the card holder, CVV number, and expiry date of the card. Pay amount, property reserved. So after reserving the property, the all reservations will be viewed in the reservation status page. If they want to, after registration, the host will log in into the website and view the reservations. These are the reservations, property reserved. So we'll go and vacate the property. We have an option called vacate. So by clicking the vacate button, the property will be vacated. So after sending the vacate request to host, the host will log in into the website and accept the vacate request. So I'm giving the wrong password, I think. Then host can view the reservations and confirm the vacation. So property vacation confirmed. So property will be vacated from customer. Like this, the website will use to book the properties for rental. Hope you guys understand this website explanation. Thank you.